Now, with more than 57,800 cases having been recorded in the last 24 hours, United States has recorded the highest single-day surge in terms of infections anywhere in the world. And this is the third straight day when infections have been recorded at over 50,000 in a span of 24 hours. The massive surge in the numbers comes as the country is heading into its 4th of July weekend. Officials fear that the holiday could bring a surge in the number of cases, urging Americans to limit festivities in a bid to avoid more outbreaks. The United States now has got nearly about 2.9 million cases of infections and more than 132,000 deaths. Now, at least 23 U.S. states have also paused or rolled back the reopening plans. Infections are up in at least 36 U.S. states and hospitalization has increased in over 12 states. Now, 4 major states, including the likes of California, Florida, Texas and Arizona, have now emerged as the new epicenters of the pandemic. Outbreaks in these 4 states have witnessed cases rising at rates that have not been witnessed since the month of April. In the state of Florida, for instance, people have now been blocked from entering into the Miami beach, which would normally be packed for the 4th of July holiday weekend. The city has implemented a curfew except for essential workers. In Texas, hospitalization rate has doubled and new cases have tripled in the last 2 weeks. Texas Governor Greg Abbott has also signed an executive order requiring residents of counties with 20 or more COVID-19 infections to wear a mask every time they step out in public. New York, which was once the epicenter of the pandemic in the United States, has seen cases rise by just about 6% for the month of June, which is said to be the lowest in the country. Beaches in New York have now opened with social distancing guidelines. The Trump administration has also shifted its stance on the wearing of masks. Vice President Mike Pence was seen advocating for masks in a recent address. The senior White House advisor Ivanka Trump has also asked people to be safe and wear masks during the holiday weekend. Now, US President Donald Trump is also facing increasing backlash as cases continue to surge. This comes just less than 5 months before the crucial US presidential elections. The presidential nominee Joe Biden has also not held back. He slammed Donald Trump's handling of the pandemic.
I think we're facing a serious threat. We have to meet it as one country. But this president gives us no direction and pits us against one another. We can't go on like this as a nation.